First up, we have Parker D's Castle Escape. This game is so good. Parker worked on this for an infinity amount of time. It was incredible watching him work. Look at the level design of the dungeon here. Click to shoot, we can move around. There's more to explore. There's multiple paths. This is so cool, and you guys got to check it out. It is 100% worth the play. This feels like a fully featured demo for like a huge game coming to Steam. This is awesome, Parker. You put in the work and it shows, and I'm still bad at video games. Here we have Jungbeer's Rick Riordan, who is the author of the Percy Jackson series. No, that isn't the actual director of the movies. This is the real Percy Jackson books. This is so cool. So much work went into this. It is a gigantic project, and you can see by looking at it that Jung took his time and really worked on it. Incredible job. Jacob R2 has replicated the Undertale website, and I know what you're saying. That's the easiest website he could have picked. Yeah, looking at just this section right here looks super simple. And then you get into this tab group down here that changes the console that's displayed based on which button is pressed up above. This is way harder than it looks. Awesome job, Jacob. I know you put the effort in, and it 100% shows. Jacob, this is incredible.